Leoni Plus, to take into progress, we have some steps to do. First of all, we switch on the ventilator with the help of the on-off button. Takes now approximately 60 seconds to boot up the complete system. After a few seconds, we will get the system check, self-test in progress. If the whole system is booted up, we will get the information self-test OK. And afterwards we are coming into the calibration screen, and the next one is the system test itself. So we see here the calibration screen actually has started the calibration of the internally oxygen cell. This is a system is doing automatically always the calibration of the oxygen cell. To do the calibration of the flow sensor, it's important to close the flow sensor from two sides to prevent from flow appearance on the screen. We can see here, and we have to confirm next. The message is be sure to have zero flow. We confirm yes. Now the system works out the calibration, prompts with close. You close, and by that you have finalized the calibration. We now can connect the test lung to the flow screen and jump into the next screen. This is the direct system test. In the system test, we have on the left side displayed that we are connected to air and oxygen. The gas supply is connected, the pressures are there. The next point is about the connection to power supply. The main supply is also with the traffic light system on green. Positive, it is working, it is present. The same for the batteries. Oxygen sensor is present and working, and the flow sensor is present and working. On the right side, we have the function test. Function test belongs to the tube system and the expiratory built-in membrane direction. So we can start directly, confirm that we have connected a tube system and the test lung, and by this we can run the testing to figure out, do we have a problem on the membrane or do we have a failure in the setup, then there's somewhere a leakage present. As soon as this is prompting with a green color, everything is okay. If you get a yellow or red color, we will have underneath the message about the failure, what could be the reason, how to solve that. And also on the left side, if there's something wrong, if we have a different color indication, it is displayed there. Then we have selection of ventilation. We can now decide for the acoustic alarm management. Is it low level with the alarm noise or high level? Then we have the opportunity to continue with the default settings or to use last settings, last patient what has been ventilated. The informations are in memory on the system and can be used. Then we have selection of invasive ventilation or non-invasive ventilation, selection of the ventilation mode. We also have the opportunity to directly adjust parameters before we are starting. Now we can start the ventilator and connect it to the patient.